Hey guys, and welcome to the messiest room in America. Like, seriously, it's so bad. We just had a party in here, and the kids were all in here. So it's time for me to declutter and clean this room. So before I can declutter, clearly I have to clean the room. So let's start there first. So I start off by pushing all of the toys from underneath the bed and the closet everywhere into the middle of the floor, because it would just be too much trying to go individually and put them in the bins that they belong. So I get all the bins, and yes, these are the cheap Dollar Tree bins, because my kids step on them and do all that. They don't keep their shape very long, but it gets the job done. So I don't mind spending $1 every few months on some new bins. But now I'm just organizing, putting everything into categories and seeing what toys they don't play with, or what toys have the legs missing, or the toys that don't have their mate with them, or things that they just don't play with anymore. It is time to declutter and get all of those toys out. There's my little daughter fighting with me about what toys that she don't want to put up now, because I'm cleaning, and my husband just got home and he's about to do a little something too. So my husband is on trash duty and like any of the other toys that I didn't see, and he's helping me put them in the middle of the floor, and he's taking the trash and making a trash pile. He's the bestest. So now I'm about to do like some serious throwing away, because half of these toys they do not play with. They are McDonald's toys. The only ones that I really like to keep of the McDonald's toys are like the Disney ones, so or Mario. So I like to keep all the Disney ones and the Mario and help them collect it. Do y'all see that little diva over there? She just wants to mess up the room just because I'm cleaning it. That's the only reason. A lot of these toys, they just don't have legs, or we've thrown away all the other toys that match them or something. They're just stragglers. So yeah, or they're old McDonald's toys, or multiple. Like if I have 17 of the same freaking toy, I'm tossing it. Sorry, it's gotta go. I love the board games that they had, but for McDonald's Happy Meal toys, but of course my kids are pretty young, so they don't know to keep things, so I had to throw out the Trouble board game, but I like the little clicker, so I kept that. So now I'm just putting the toys into categories, like which, if they're Disney characters, if they're SpongeBob, if they're Paw Patrol, PJ Masks, stuff like that. And I'm putting them into different categories to see, okay, am I going to keep these? Do they have enough to be kept? Or am I going to go ahead and toss them? And everything in this pile is just going to be in a miscellaneous bin. Like, these are just all miscellaneous toys. Just random. All the other ones have bins. And the toolbox keeps the tools. And railroad tracks go in a bin and stuff like that. But this is just all the random miscellaneous toys. Yo, Gabba Gabba! So now I'm just throwing all of those into a miscellaneous toy bin. And now you can see all the toys are in their rightful little bins, which they won't stay like that for long. So now, basically the room is clean. You can see all of that, like everything's put away. So now it's time to clean and declutter, and I'm gonna start with taking out their and cleaning out their old clothes and all of that. And Now on to decluttering this closet. So baby girl has gone from like a 24-month 2T to a 3T. So now it's time to get rid of all of those clothes that there's some clothes that she ain't even got to wear yet. We got to get rid of all of these clothes that she cannot wear. I also go through her drawers, but I don't show that part. I show me going through my son's drawers. And my son has been like a 5'6" for like a year now. So he's not out of most of his clothes. He's still slimming out. He was a little chunkier. So he's slimming out. So he still can fit the same size clothes basically. They just, he's just taller now. But yeah, as long as they're a 5'6" for him or a 6'7", I'm keeping them. And I'm just going through, organizing, and throwing away. I had a lot of kids this summer, and I found about 5 million pairs of clothes in his drawers that did not belong to him. So yeah, I needed to do this declutter. As far as how I organize their drawers, his t-shirts, underwear, socks, those all go at the top drawer, and then his shirts go in the second drawer, and then in the bottom drawer are his play pants and any like sets that I don't hang up. But I hang most of my kids' clothes up just because I like to be able to see them easier, the shorts and everything. I hang all of that stuff. So he doesn't have much in the drawers. And then for my daughter, hers go her diapers or her panties, since we are potty training, and in the top drawer with her socks and her undershirts and onesies. And then in her second drawer goes her shirts, and in the bottom drawer goes her pants also. And like I said, I hang most of their stuff up on hangers. Now let's finish cleaning this room. Baby girl, her little pillow and her blanket. I put her blanket on the back of the crib. And then I use vinegar, a spray bottle of vinegar to clean the TVs and some of the toys and everything off. I don't clean their toys the same time that I clean their room. I usually go back at a separate time and wipe down disinfect all of their actual toys. I will put a video up on that. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that. I just vacuumed the floor, put their table back in the middle of the floor. Now I'm going to half make my son's bed because I am recording this at night and he's about to go back to sleep. Comment down below what color blanket I should get him. I want it to match. And there you have it. The room is probably as clean as it's gonna be for now. Give me some suggestions down below on how to organize better. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed cleaning and organizing with me. There are a few more things that I want to do. I do want to get like an organization system for the top of the closet, and that way I can get rid of some of the toys from being down so they don't dump them all over the place every day, and I have to try to do this at least every other day. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me. So please don't forget to go check out Courtney Allison. We collabed on this video. She has a video on her channel where she is organizing and decluttering her kids' room. So go ahead and go check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.